Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for chicken Reshmi Kabab. This is the fry version, but you can of course barbecue them as well. And recipe is already on my blog. I made this way back with late Shaheen Kadri from ZK My Way for Eid collaboration. I have a lot of memories attached to it. I thought to redo this video for you guys. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. Let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First I'm adding some boneless chicken pieces into food processor with red chili powder, salt, white pepper powder, ground flour, basin, and some desiccated coconut. I'll be adding ginger and garlic. I have whole cloves of garlic, so I chopped up them a little bit, and then ginger paste with some raw papaya paste. Then I'll be adding some green chilies, cilantro, and onions. Then cover the lid and we'll process this mixture until you have a fine grounded chicken paste. Then I'll transfer this chicken mixture onto a bowl and then put a little piece of foil. Then add a heated piece of coal on top of it. Drizzle a little bit of oil. As soon as the smoke comes out, just cover so keema will infuse with the smoky flavor. Now I'm sharing a tip here which I learned from Shaheen as well to ensure the smooth sekh kebab or Reshmi Kabab. I open up the Ziploc bag from the sides, then grease the Ziploc bag and grease your hand as well. Take a small amount from your grounded chicken mixture, just roll it a little bit and then put it in the middle of your Ziploc bag. Take one side of the Ziploc bag, a cover, and then start pressing it vertically, so you will make the sekh kebab or Reshmi Kabab with the help of the Ziploc bag. This will ensure you will have a equal size or smooth sekh kebab like you can see here. Just smooth it again with your hand and then repeat the same process with the rest of your chicken mixture and make your sekh kebab. Now if you want, you can fry them into a regular fry pan, but I prefer to use grill pan. This will give that grill marks on top of my Reshmi Kabab or sekh kebab, and nobody can tell that these are not grilled on outside barbecue grill, rather you fried them. When they get nice golden color from all sides and cooked through, I'm taking them out on a piece of paper towel to absorb some excess oil. And now if you want, you can freeze them as well. You can freeze the raw sekh kebab as well, but I cook them completely, then I label the Ziploc bag, transfer it into the bag and put it in my freezer. Whenever I need them, I just take some out, put it in a microwave, and they are good to go. So this is how your chicken Reshmi Kabab are ready. You can have them with the paratha or just make a roll out of paratha, serve them as a side. They are my family's favorite and I keep a big batch in my freezer almost all the time. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. We'll try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.